So I went to Spiral Betty, upload a photo, and hold on, let me see where I've got it. It's in there. So I'll scroll down my rubbish and I'll just put that one in as my wedding photo. You can just adjust that. So click OK and it'll come up. You can do rings, how big are the rings you want them. You can change the scale, which will adjust the picture. Lightness you can change. You just download the photo. It's free, but it's not for commercial use, its own personal use. You download it and then you go to free SVG converter. I've already done it. I put it on strong and I was on ready number 3, so you can change all those. It changes all different. So I found that number 3 was the best one for the picture. Then you just download the SVG. You go to your design space. I've already started that, sorry. Say if I get rid of that. So you just upload. And I've already uploaded it there. Click on that. So it's there. I go at the just under the 12 by 12 size. Let's see if I can adjust it. It looks black, but if you wait a minute. I'm still learning myself, so that's it in position. Press make it. It'll come on there, so it's your full. I've already got a vinyl in position. Go continue. Make sure it's under there. Press to start. Come on. Oh, I'm jumping ahead of myself. So I just press vinyl. I go default with the fine point blade. So now I can go. And then just start. But it does take a while for it to cut. So it is really slow at cutting, so just leave it, go make yourself a cup of tea and come back when it's finished.